Yellow, welcome to Pinterest class. My name is Job Jerem and I'm going to take you through P6 and P7 Worksheet 1 Mathematics subject. I hope you are ready with your red pen, pencil or black pen to mark your answers. For those who haven't got the worksheet yet, contact us on the numbers on your screen. Okay, let's go straight away to the work. So let's look at number 1. Number 1, we have K plus M plus Z. Remember, they have told us that K is what? K is 4, and then M is 5, and then Z is 2. So we're going to add these ones and we get our answer as 11. Yes, that is Roman numeral 1. Then Roman numeral 2, they have told us to find KMZ. When they tell you to find KMZ, it means you are multiplying K times M times Z. So this is going to be our K. Remember, our K is 4, and then times our M, which is 5, and our Z, which is 2, and the answer is going to be 40. That way you can see 4 times 5 is 20, 20 times 2 is 40. Roman numeral 3. So we have 3m minus k. So 3m minus k. Remember, our m is 5, so 3 times 5, and our k is 4. So this is going to give us 15 minus 4. And the answer here is going to be 11. Let's go to number 2. Number 2, they have told us Dorothy bought those items, and they want us to find how much she spent all together. So what we do here, the best thing to do here, you draw a table. You draw a table, and in that table we shall have item. Then we shall also have unit cost. The unit cost. Then we shall have the cost price. Cost price. And then the last one will be the amount. The amount. So that's the table. Now this simplifies the work. So we have the first thing was a bread, and how many loaves of bread did she buy? She bought 2 loaves of bread. And how much does each loaf of bread cost? Each loaf costs 3,500. So therefore, the total for all the loaves of bread he bought is going to be 7,000. How do we get 7,000? 2 times 3,500. And that's one item. Then we have the second item. The second item was rice. And how many kilograms of rice did she buy? She bought 3 kilograms. By the way, this is loaf. And how much does each rice cost? Actually, they did not give us, but they gave us the total. So after giving us the total amount she bought, we can find the cost price by getting 12,000 divided by 3, which is going to be 4,000. So each kilogram costs 4,000 shillings. And then remember, and then the next one was sugar. So how much sugar did she buy? She bought 2 kilograms of sugar, and each kilogram costs 3,200, and the amount is going to be 6,400. And therefore After finding all that, we can get the total. So the total is going to be, so we add this one, then this one is 4, and then this one is going to be 25. So this is going to be shillings. Remember to put the word shillings because it is very important. Even here, shillings, though the space is not going to be enough for me, even here. So that's it. Let me not spoil the table, but you remember to put the shillings. You can put, when you write it after the figure, it has to be in full. When you write it before the figure, it has to be in short. To B, they have told us to find how much she remained with if she had gone with 30,000. So 30,000 minus the total which we have got, which is 25,400. Okay, so we subtract. So this is going to be 0, 0. So this is going to be 6, and then this is going to be 4. How do we get these shillings? We have subtracted and we have got 4,600. Okay. Number 3A. We are adding 132 base 5 plus 4141 base 5. So now we are adding in base 5. Remember to put base 5 there. Some people forget about base 5. So 2 plus 1 is going to be 3, and then we have 3 plus 4. Remember 3 plus 4, we get 7, but we cannot write 7 in base 5. So what we do, we get 7 divided by 5, and we're going to get our answer as 1, remainder 2. So we're going to write the remainder here, and we carry the 1 up. So this is going to be 1 plus 1, which is 2, and that's going to be our answer. So let's go to 3B. 3B, we are changing 32 base 5 to base 10. Okay, so here, when we are changing from any other base to base 10, we expand. So we're going to expand this. So 3 times 5 power 1 plus 2 times 5 power 0. Now this is the same as saying 3 times 5 plus 2 times 1, and this will give us 15 plus 2. Therefore, our answer is going to be 17 base 10. Then we go to 3C. Let's go to 3C. Now we are finding the place value of 2 in 231 base 5. 231 base 5. Now here we have to first list the different place values here. So we have, this will be ones, this is going to be ones, and then this is going to be fives, and this 2 is going to be fives. But remember, they have told us to find the place value of only 2. So the place value of 2 is 5 fives. Yes, that's the place value of 2. Number 4A. So we have a math lesson which started at that time and ended at that time. So how long was the lesson? So remember, duration is equal to end time minus start time. So our start, our end time is 9:50 a.m. and our start time is 9:10 a.m. So 50 minus 10 is going to be 40. Remember, this is time, and 9 minus 9 is going to be 0. So that means the lesson took 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Let's go to 4B. 4B, they have told us to convert 3.5 hours to minutes. 3.5 hours to minutes. Now, whenever you find a fraction in a mixed fraction, the first thing you're going to do is to change it to improper fraction. And when we change this to improper, I hope you know how to change from mixed to improper. So we are going to get denominator times whole number plus numerator out of denominator, which gives us 2 times 3 plus 1 out of 2, which gives us, this is 6 plus 1, 7, 2. So now this is going to be ours. Now we are changing that to minutes. Remember, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore, 7 out of 2 will give us 7 out of 2 times 60. And our answer, we divide this by this by this, and our answer is going to be 210 minutes. For C, let's go to 4C. Now 4C, they have told us to find how many days make up 3 weeks. So 3 weeks, how many days? So we know that 1 week has 7 days. Therefore 3 weeks have 3 times 7, which gives us 21 days. Which gives us how many days? 21 days. Let's go to number 5. Number 5A. Now they have given us that figure, given the number 125, 125, and they have told us to change that to figures. So what you do here, you first arrange these numbers in their respective place values. So we have actually we can use values here. We have 100, and also we have 20, and also I have 5. So this is going to be 5, this is going to be 2, and this is going to be 1. So that is the figure for the number. 5B. 5B, round off the given number to the nearest tens. So the number which we have got, we are going to round it off to the nearest tens. Remember, we have to first know the place values here, and that means the nearest tens is this. So it's going to be, when we add, remember when we are rounding off, the numbers which start from 0 to 4, we add a 0, and 5 to 9, we add a 1. So this is going to be 1 because it is in this range. So this will give us, this becomes a 0, this becomes 3, and this becomes 1. So 125, when rounded off, it will give us 130. Let's go to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. So number 6, they have told us to find elements of set Q, and the set Q is equal to odd numbers less than 10. So we're going to first list elements in set Q. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and then 9, and those are the elements in set Q. Therefore, our members of elements in set Q is going to be, when we count these ones, they are 5, so it's going to be 5 elements. Okay. Number 7, they have told us to find if set P is this. Set P has 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and set Q, set P intersection Q is what? 2, 4, and then set P union Q is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have told us to find members of set Q, elements in set Q. So what we are going to do, we are going to get set Q, but we shall use the union and the intersection. So we know that this one is common in P and Q, and these are the members in P. Therefore, which members are remaining? We are remaining with 4. So 4 is here and is also there. So these 2 have to be part of the Q because they are common. Then which members are remaining? We are remaining with 5 and then 6. So that means NQ is going to be 4. Okay. Number 8. Draw a Venn diagram to show that all girls are females. So first of all, we know that we have to start with females because they have told us all girls are females, and then the girls are going to be there. So the girls are inside females, so that is going to be all girls, this is the letter G, are females. That's it for mathematics subject worksheet 1 for P6 and P7. We hope to have you in our next video, and we would like to hear from you. You can reach us on our different social media platforms on your screen. Don't forget to do the corrections in case of any. We hope to see you in our next video, and for now we're saying bye bye.